Have you ever imagined a world where your home is on three wheels, a tiny pedal-powered escape from the ordinary? Kevin Sear, an artist and designer, turned that dream into reality with his one-of-a-kind camper Tricycle, a marvel of creativity, sustainability, and pure adventure. This isn't your average camper or bicycle. It's a hybrid that defies convention, sparking conversations and curiosity wherever it goes. Picture this: a self-contained mobile shelter mounted on the back of a sturdy tricycle. It's not just a statement piece. It's a fully functional microhome that can take you on journeys beyond the limits of conventional travel. Unlike bulky RVs or expensive tiny homes, this camper is compact, eco-friendly, and runs purely on human effort. No gas stations, no electricity hookups, just you, your legs, and the open road. Kevin Sear is known for his fascination with urban mobility and unconventional housing. His camper Tricycle embodies that passion, merging art and engineering into a single rideable masterpiece. Designed to challenge ideas of personal space and alternative living, it offers a unique solution to a world increasingly in need of sustainable options. As we take a closer look, you'll see that every inch of this tiny home is meticulously designed. The camper structure, made from lightweight yet durable materials, features a streamlined shape that minimizes wind resistance while maximizing interior space. The wooden frame, reinforced for stability, sits atop a heavy-duty tricycle chassis, ensuring a balanced and comfortable ride even on uneven terrain. Now let's step inside. The interior is surprisingly efficient, with just enough space for the essentials: a sleeping area, storage compartments, and a small workspace. It's minimalistic yet inviting. Every detail serves a purpose, proving that comfort isn't about size, it's about smart design. With clever folding elements and multi-use features, it transforms from a mobile sleeping pod to a daytime retreat, perfect for resting, working, or simply enjoying the view. One of the most intriguing aspects of the camper Tricycle is its self-sufficiency. Unlike traditional mobile homes, it doesn't rely on fossil fuels or electrical hookups. It's powered entirely by the rider, making it one of the most environmentally friendly travel options imaginable. Just pedal and go. It's that simple. No emissions, no noise pollution, just the rhythmic motion of the wheels and the freedom to roam. Imagine the places you could go with this: pedaling through the city streets, drawing fascinated glances from pedestrians, taking a slow, scenic ride through the countryside, finding the perfect spot to park and unwind. This tricycle isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement on mobility and independence. Whether you're an urban explorer or a nature lover, it opens up a world of possibilities. Of course, a concept like this isn't just about functionality, it's also a piece of art. Kevin Sear's work often explores themes of nomadism, self-sufficiency, and the redefinition of living spaces. The camper Tricycle embodies these ideas, challenging traditional views on shelter and movement. It's a rolling sculpture that invites discussion about sustainability, minimalism, and the way we interact with our environment. It's not hard to see why this creation has captivated people around the world. It resonates with those who seek adventure, those who dream of breaking free from societal norms, and those who simply appreciate innovative design. In an age where space is at a premium and alternative lifestyles are gaining popularity, the camper Tricycle represents a radical yet practical vision for the future. Now, you might be wondering, how practical is it in real-life scenarios? The answer depends on how you define practicality. If your idea of travel involves luxury and convenience, this might not be for you. But if you value simplicity, sustainability, and the thrill of slow travel, it's a game-changer. It's not built for speed or long highway journeys, but for immersive experiences, for taking in the world at a human pace. This brings us to an interesting question. Could this be a solution for urban housing challenges? With cities becoming increasingly crowded and housing costs skyrocketing, concepts like the camper Tricycle encourage us to rethink personal space and mobility. While it may not replace traditional homes, it offers a glimpse into a world where living is more fluid, where we're less tied to one place and more open to exploration. But like any bold concept, it comes with its challenges. The camper Tricycle requires physical effort to move, making long-distance travel more demanding. It's also not the most spacious option, which means packing light and embracing minimalism. But for those willing to adapt, these limitations become part of the adventure, part of the charm that makes this tiny home on wheels so unique. Beyond its functional aspects, this project sparks something deeper, a reflection on modern life and the way we define success and comfort. In a world obsessed with bigger, faster, and more, that mobility doesn't have to come at the cost of sustainability. That home isn't just about walls and square footage. It's about the freedom to move, to explore, to live on your own terms. As the sun sets and the camper tricycle finds its resting spot for the night, it's easy to see why this creation has left such an impact. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a philosophy on wheels. A statement that challenges us to think differently about shelter, travel, and the spaces we call home. So, what do you think? Would you ever take a journey in a camper tricycle? Could you see yourself embracing this kind of minimalist pedal-powered lifestyle? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into Kevin Sears' fascinating creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unique innovations and creative ideas from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and stay curious.